Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto. This time we're going to discuss fundamental research. Basically, to succeed in the cryptocurrency market, you need to master three types of research. The first is narrative research, the second is technical research, and the third is fundamental research. Fundamental research is actually the least important, as it's only 20%, but when you can master all three to 100%, you'll be able to master all types of research and analysis. I'm sure that you guys will always win, almost always win, in every trading and investment in cryptocurrency. So this time, let's dive into an intro to fundamental research. What is fundamental research? Basically, fundamental research is a study to determine the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency project. So, this intrinsic value is something you measure. So, whether a project is valuable or not, economically, in terms of its attractiveness to others, in terms of its impact on the community, that's evident from its intrinsic value. So, we need to conduct what's called fundamental research. Why is fundamental research important? Firstly, we need to know what we're buying. Because when we know what we're buying, we can move on to the second point. Our confidence will also increase. So, we know where this investment is going. Why is it important to know what we're buying? Because they're saying, knowing the eye. It also applies to the projects you guys are buying. Because I'm sure 80% of degenerates in crypto, they just buy randomly. Just hit the buy button. But they don't know what they're buying. So they don't know, they don't care, they just fear of missing out to buy it. So the most important thing, the most crucial thing is that you guys know what you are buying. Alright, so when you guys know what you're buying, that confidence will increase. So when you guys know what you're investing in, where your money is being put, you guys will be confident. So when that confidence arises, you won't panic with price fluctuations, whether the price goes up or down. You won't panic because you already know what you've bought and you're confident in it. You'll know the worst case scenario you might face. Then you'll also know where this investment is going. For example, if I buy a certain coin with certain projections, with a certain intrinsic value, you'll know whether this project is real or not. Then you guys can also estimate how long you'll hold, whether it's a long-term bet that you'll hold for 12 years or just a speculative item that you'll sell, whether it's for 20 days, 20 weeks, or 20 months. And you can determine that when you already know what the item is, so you know how to approach this investment. That's it, the most important thing for you guys. So before digging into fundamental research, the first step you guys take is to dig up the information first, because fundamental research is based on information, and the basis of that is data. You guys need to be strong in this information. So I'll practice the question, where do we get the information from? The information comes from several projects. You can get it from one website to white papers through fundamentals. So first from the website? Yes, the primary source of information for each project is the website. This website is the main information hub, where the most basic one, because it will be the main consideration when you guys conduct fundamental research. For example, Solana's website. Here it's explained what Solana does, who the team is, the estimated time frame for the projects, then the vision, and who funds it. All of it is laid out on the website. So, this website is the main tool you guys can use, the main information source you guys can use when conducting fundamental research. Secondly, you guys can get this official website on CoinMarketCap because CoinMarketCap is the most trusted, the most valid because it's backed by Binance. Yeah, it's backed by Binance too. When you guys search, for example, the Bitcoin coin or suddenly without the official one, you just have to click on the bottom left. There's a website. When you guys click on the website, you'll be directed straight to the Bitcoin story page. Alright, so it's official guys when you guys use CoinMarketCap. Then secondly, white papers. So basically, these white papers, if in stocks it's called a prospectus. So you guys who invest in stocks, this white papers is a prospectus. This white paper explains what the business model is, how the tokenomics works, who the development team is, then what the roadmap is like, because this white paper is a tool or media used to communicate information from developers to potential investors. So when you guys want to invest, you guys need to read the white paper first about what this is, which is very important for you guys to learn. It's the same with CoinMarketCap. You guys can get information from the white paper. This white paper is on the right side, on the left side of the site. An example of white paper itself, you guys have two. Usually one is a research paper model. The second is a commercial model. Yes, here it explains the journal model. Research journal, there's an abstract, then there's the author and so on. But the commercial model is usually placed on the web, so not in PDF form, but on the website. When you guys click, you can click all the general stuff, what they're working on, who the team is, and so on. That can be the commercial model. Thirdly, this information can be obtained on social media. So, social media is the main tool used by developers to reach out to community members, to do marketing activities, to engage the community, to build community members. They need social media, and nowadays, the better they handle their social media as a marketing tool, the higher the probability this project will succeed. This is an example, like on CAPS's website. Join and follow the community. So when you guys check this website, at the bottom there's always a link to Discord and Telegram for community members, which I suggest once in a while you guys should engage with what you guys buy. So you can buy and join the chat group for the community, so you guys can also engage with other community members. Because the fun part is when you guys are involved in their culture. In this Web3 community, there are a lot. You guys will meet people from various worlds who have differences in language and culture. That's also the cool part, so you guys have a sense of belonging to the project you guys buy. Secondly, you guys finally met a friend, for example, from Australia, and that's also a positive side. You guys talk about projects together with friends you know indirectly in the 3D web. It adds the sensation you guys when you guys invest in the cryptocurrency market. So, how to process that information to be used as a basis in fundamental research? The answer is in the next video. See you guys!